my second attempt at a wash and go. Oh yeah, it's looking better already. I like the look. So I had to show you a quick little look with it picked out. Good morning, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Quana. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications by pressing the bell, clicking all, so you'll get a notification. Now if you're a returning sub, what's up? So today y'all, I'm gonna be doing a wash and go. This is my second attempt at a wash and go. I did it the first time and it came out really good. I loved it. I didn't love it on me because it was just a new look, so I had to adjust to it and I didn't wear it very long. So today I'm gonna try it out again, and this time I'm gonna diffuse my hair. I bought a diffuser. So I had a blow dryer already, but I didn't have the blow dryer where you could attach a diffuser to it. So I went ahead and bought a new blow dryer so I could have that attachment. And I just want to see the difference between how wash and go looks when it's blow dried versus air dried. So yeah, we're gonna see that today. And I'm gonna show y'all how I do my wash and go. So if you looked at the last video, I used the unbrush to detangle. And I made sure to leave my conditioner in for a really long time. Y'all, my hair feels so good. All right, so I'm gonna split it into sections and then I'm gonna get started on my wash and go.
I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that fits I do it all. I won't run, you skinny. I'm not long if you joking now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinny, do it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just like you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. Take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. I'll be home when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you.
Alright y'all, so my hair is finished. I like it. I like it a lot better than the last time. Some people use oil after they finish drying their wash and go. And some people use a serum. I don't have a... Yes, I do have a serum. I forgot about it. It's Paul Mitchell, but I don't feel like getting it out. So I already got my oil on my hand. This is tea tree oil. So I'm gonna break my cast with my tea tree oil. Alright, so right around the edges, I'm gonna put a little edge control and give it a more desired look. I don't really like the look of my wash and go, so I'm gonna just like, I don't know, slick my edges or whatever you would say. Just to make it more defined and more polished. Oh yeah, it's looking better already. I like the look. Yep. Y'all, I'm loving this wash and go. Okay, now I gotta comb it out or brush it or whatever. I think I'm just brush it with this little thing. Cute. So the diffuser really gives it a different look. Yeah, I don't like the shrinkage, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't used to this. I'm used to a longer curl, but, well, not a longer curl, longer hair, because it's usually straightened, which is why I didn't wear my wash and go long last time I had it, because I'm just not used to how it looks on me. Love the wash and go look, but just not used to it yet, if that makes sense. I like the style, super cute, but I'm not used to the style on me. So that's what I mean. Hopefully that makes more sense to y'all, because I don't want y'all to be in the comment. Well, I really wouldn't care, but I ain't want anybody confused like, how in the world she don't like the style but she do like the style? So yeah, that's what I mean. I love the style, but it hasn't grown on me yet. One time I looked in the mirror after wearing the wash and go for the first day, and I forgot about, you know, that style being in my hair, man. I was like, what in the world? But yeah, it's cute. Just gotta grow on me, that's it. But I do like it. Now this one, I don't know what happened to that one, but I tease it and get it to come down. So now in the front, I don't know what happened to my curls. I mean, they're curling, but they're not curling like the rest of my hair. So I don't know what happened. Maybe that's the part where, you know, I was like flattening it when I had installs and such. But anyway, it's cute. I love it. What do y'all think? Drop a comment down below. If you want to see another wash and go or another style that I should try, let me know. Send me some videos, send me some links. My Instagram is Diamonds and Rose. It's in the description box below, and you can also send me snaps. That's gonna be in the description. And yeah, all right, y'all, so I had to show you a quick little look with it picked out. I picked it, made it a lot bigger, and yeah, I like it like this. So y'all let me know in the comments, what do y'all think? Do you like the wash and go? No, yes. Y'all be honest. I have tough skin, so it's not gonna hurt my feelings. If you don't like it, you just don't like it. Maybe it ain't for you. I don't know. It ain't for everybody. Just let me know in the comments. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it's growing on me. I really like it. And I'm really thrilled at the idea that I can do my own natural hair. Because like I said, in the past, for the past 10 years, I have not known what to do with my hair. And that's the reason why I'm just now starting my hair care journey. Like now I feel like I can grow it. I feel like I kind of know what I'm doing a little bit. So I'm excited, y'all. Yeah, I just wanted y'all to see. See y'all in the next video. Hopefully that's tomorrow. Love y'all.